Hello, good evening. Hello, everybody, fellow YouTubers. Thank you so much for joining this channel again. In this presentation, we are going to review Parallax. But before we get started, I wanted to do something new with you guys. As you guys know, I'm a Shopify expert and I build websites. What I'm going to start doing now is giving shout outs to companies that we actually built websites for. So we want to show the website of the week. The website of the week goes out to Parallax. These guys, we built their website, is very custom made. Go check them out. They just released recently. We just finished their work and their stuff looks great. So very simplistic, very customized. Parallax, we're giving you guys a shout out for the week. And of course, if you guys become one of our clients where we build your websites, we will give you shout outs so that people could go and check out your store. All right, let's get right to this. Parallax. Parallax. This is one of the most popular ones in Shopify. A lot of my clients, when they hire me, they say, yeah, we give them a selection of themes to look at, and they like to choose Parallax. So this video, we're going to review pros and cons about Parallax. Okay, so we're gonna jump right to it. Let's go ahead and look at this demo, and we're gonna exit out of here right here real quick so we can see the whole thing. So who is this for, right? Parallax is for those businesses in Shopify that want to sell online, telling a story. One of the major components of Parallax is that it has that moving storytelling process. You see how the images kind of do that, right? So that's one of the strongest points from Parallax. And Parallax is made by, again, the company of Out of the Sandbox. Okay, here we go, Out of the Sandbox. And they have tons of great themes, and this just happens to be one of their popular ones. We're going to go over other ones in future videos, okay? In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe if you're brand new watching this page. It'll definitely help us out bringing out more videos. So if you really like it, please subscribe, follow us on Facebook, whatnot. Okay, so anywho, one of the let's start away here in the top. One of the major things that I like is that it has this unique visual over here. The only downside I don't like is that it forces the logo to be very minimalist, excuse me, because it has to sit on top of the picture, and so you have to be very careful on choosing the right picture so that all of this could contrast, and it's very visual. Some clients choose certain pictures that it's so busy that by the time this looks up here, it's just like it looks horrible. You can barely read anything. So I believe they probably have the ability to make this a bar right here so that everything sticks out, but that kind of defeats the purpose. Well, anywho, that's the thing about Parallax. You need to make sure that whichever picture that you choose here, this stuff gets to be visualized. And then after that, you could see that they have a very simplistic menu. So there's no mega menus, anything out of this world, right? But you do have a nice call to action. And this is also a slideshow, which, you know, is optional, call to action, however you like. And then you have the 3 selling points. 3 selling points. What are the 3 things that people should buy your product? What are the 3 focus points? And we can add either pictures or illustrations. So this is good right here because you're telling a story. And then right here, you add another image where it's, you can add a video behind it. So this is just a cover. And then when you click right here where it says video, then, a video starts to play. So as you notice, there was a little bit of small delay. You guys noticed that, right? It's capable of handling the video, and the video you could push it on, I believe, YouTube, so that it could feed off of that. But it has a small delay, and it could only be presented in the desktop. The moment you go mobile, you could probably see it too, but it's not as dynamic as how you see it over here. And then we have some text. We have some more images that look very nice. We have the hover over feature here, so that looks very nice too. And then we have more images. Pay attention that this is white, but can only be read if you have a picture that's blurred out, so that this contrast, again, that's probably one of the things that you may or may not like, but it's important. And look how the blogs are set up here. And then here's your best-selling product if you want to do that. Look, they have nice color switches here, so I like that too. The only thing is that when it comes to that minor detail, that doesn't come with the actual theme. This right here, you have to actually manually kind of do that to represent the fabric. So it requires a little bit of more extra work, okay? But it's something that they have instructions. You just have to go out of your way to get this looking exactly like that. Me personally, I just wish that, they made it very, very easy, so that you guys don't have to waste too much time. And here we go. This is like a GIF, GIFs, however you guys want to call it, which is not technically a video, but it's kind of sorta, right? And then you have logos and you have your social media, etc. So again, one of the great things is that it's telling a story from top to bottom. It's great if you have very small amount of products. It's not good if you have a series of tons of different catalogs, because then you're gonna obliterate the menu. But if you have a very decent shop, it doesn't have too much. How many products? Well, maybe less than 50 products, less than 20 products, or maybe you just have that one product that you want to sell. This theme is very good for you. Let's take a look at their collection. In their collection page, we clicked on men's. You could see that you could put a custom banner on the top where it says men's apparel. That's nice, and this is easy to do. And then you have the hover over. The default picture is that one, but then the secondary picture of your product will be the hover over. So that's cool too. Then you click on this plus sign, and this is like the quick purchase for impulsive buyers. And this ability is there if you want it to be. You don't have to have that there like that. Let's see what else. So that's the collection page. The collection page is pretty good. Let's go to women's, kind of showing you the same thing. Accessories. See accessories, they kind of did it a little differently there. See the pictures. You got to make sure that your pictures are even. All right. There goes that pop-up. Let's talk about the product landing page. So in the product landing page, very clean. Okay. There's no banner. Notice that. And that pop-up is persistent, right? Let's see here. So we have just basic stuff going on. So there's not too much crazy things going on here. So if you're looking for simplicity, this is for you. And again, Parallax is aimed for more of a simplistic shop that wants to tell a story. Like say if you are in a campaign for, I don't know, breast cancer awareness or something like that, you want to tell a story to connect the people emotionally, this is great. This is perfect for it. But if you have a very large catalog, you have to display this, you have to display that, this, that, then Parallax becomes very overwhelming. But other than that, it's by far one of the most popular themes. The developers from out of the sandbox, they always keep their themes up to date, which is also another reason why I like them. There are other theme developers that they just create something and then they're just like, bye. And they haven't updated their theme in like so long. And there'll be glitches here and there and they won't update it. No, not out of the sandbox. These guys are up to date with their stuff. And when a developer is up to date with their themes, then that gives you a peace of mind. It gives you peace of mind because you know that your shop will always be up to date without having to actually purchase a new theme. So that's why I like out of the sandbox themes, and this one, Parallax. All right, guys, so if you guys really like this video, again, please share, comment below. And a question for you is, if you have Parallax in your store, what are the pros and cons that you feel you've had with Parallax? Did you like it, or do you have some issues with it? Maybe I could answer on the comments. Hit me up in the comments, tell me what you think, or tell me what's your favorite theme that you have that's working out for you, and I'll go ahead and I'll review it to talk about the pros and cons. All right, guys, happy selling, and I hope you guys have a great 2018.